Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the on-screen keyboard on your laptop. If you have access to your physical keyboard, or if you have an external keyboard connected to your device, you can use the combination of Windows plus Control plus O buttons at the same time to enable a on-screen keyboard. This kind of on-screen keyboard can be resized and reshaped by dragging the sides and the corners of it. It has a numpad, and it can be moved along the screen, so you can adjust it to your needs however you like. But if you don't have access to your physical keyboard, you can open Start menu, go to Settings. In Settings, go to Accessibility, then scroll down to Keyboard section, open it, and here switch the toggle to the right next to on-screen keyboard option. And this will enable the very same keyboard. Now if you want to have the access to your on-screen keyboard right from the desktop, then you have another option. To enable it, go to Personalization, Taskbar, and here you'll find the touch keyboard. Change this value to always next to it. Then you can close the settings and you will see this tiny icon of the touch keyboard you can see on your status bar. Click on it and it will enable the on-screen keyboard that works just like the previous one, except for it lacks the numpad, but it's pretty usable, and if you need it you can always call it from any menu right from the desktop basically. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.